Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video we will be discussing a very important question from thermodynamics and statistical physics, which has been asked in the CSIR Net June 2020 exam. And this is a part C question, which means a 5 marks question. So we will be starting the discussion about it soon, but before starting the discussion about that question, let me just quickly provide you an update regarding the Unacademy Plus and Unacademy Iconic subscription. So basically guys, there is an offer going on for the Unacademy Plus and Iconic subscription. So if you will be taking the 6-month subscription right now before 31st July, you will get 1 month extra, and if you will be taking the 12-month subscription, you will get the 2 months extra. And another thing is, by using and by applying the referral code, that is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here on the screen, you will be getting the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Don't leave any space in between, you just need to write it as it is, and you can write all the alphabets in the capital letter and just write the referral code at the place given to you. To write the referral code at the same time, in front of that place there will be apply written. Just click on the apply, and this is how you will be able to apply the referral code, and at the same time you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. So right now guys, on every week the new batches, the new courses are starting on Unacademy Plus, and the courses which you will be able to attend after taking the Unacademy Plus courses, Unacademy Plus subscription, the same courses you will be able to attend after taking the Unacademy Iconic subscription too. But in Unacademy Iconic subscription, you also get many other benefits which will help you even in your interview preparation. Personal coach will be there, and many other benefits you get in the Iconic subscription. Clear? Now guys, we will be starting the discussion about the question we will be discussing in this session today. Another important update I am going to provide you is, like I have told you, every week the new batches and the courses are starting for your upcoming exam preparation on Unacademy Plus. So if you will be taking the subscription right now, you will be able to cover up many important topics, concepts and the questions with all these important courses by the top educators. But at the same time, let's say there is any course which is going on and you want to check out the previous classes of that course, so recordings of the sessions will be available to you, and that's how you will be able to cover up that part too. In each and every course we are going to have the doubt clearing session. So for example, you watch the recordings and there is some doubt you are going to have, so you can ask about your doubts in the doubt clearing session, and this is how you will not miss anything and you will be able to cover up each and everything. So yeah, if you want to get the guidance by the top educators, you can take the Unacademy Plus or Unacademy Iconic subscription. And whenever you will be taking the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here on the screen. By using and by applying this referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Now let's start the discussion about the question guys. So here is this question, which is the Hamiltonian of a system of 3 spins is H is equal to J into S1 plus S1 S2 plus S2 S3, and where Si, in the suffix I they have given, okay, where I values are 1, 2 and 3. So Si can be equal to +1 or -1. Done. Both are the values of S you can have. Its canonical partition function at temperature T is. So this is what you have to consider. To solve this question, the only thing you need to know is the expression for the canonical partition function. Generally, we show the partition function with the symbol or the notation Z, and it is going to be summation over I gi e to the power minus beta ei. Clear? Where gi is the degeneracy. This is something which will help you a lot in the statistical physics part. Okay, and yeah, it should be clear to every one of you. E is representing the energy here, and beta is equal to 1 upon kBt. So this is how we are going to have the expression. Okay, for the partition function, how you can write the partition function, summation over I gi e to the power minus beta ei. Next point, if I will be writing the next thing here you can see the Hamiltonian is given to you. So when you want the energy, you also need to know that Hamiltonian of any given system also represents the energy in certain conditions. So here we will be taking it the energy of the system. So let's write the Hamiltonian, which is what? Which is gonna be J S1 S2 and plus S2 S3. This is the H value. Now the point is how many terms or how many values you have to put here. You will have S1, S2, S3 values, and each S1, S2 and S3 can have the allowed values +1 and -1. Clear? This is how you will be having the values. Next thing. So S1 can have the value +1 or -1, S2 can have the value +1 or -1, S3 can have the value +1 or -1. So we need to check out how many total possible combinations we will be having here. And how we write it? You can consider it in this way. 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 times you will write it. Then 4 times -1, -1, -1, -1. Then 2 times alternate manner. The +1, then -1, -1, +1. Okay. Then +1, -1, -1. Then alternate manner, just one time you will follow 1 -1, 1 -1, 1 -1, 1 -1. There is no such rule that you have to start by writing 1 first or -1, but whatever you will write 4 times, 2 times and 1 time. And whatever pattern you will take here, like you have written the +1 4 times and then you are going to write the -1 later on. So keep the same sequence, +1 first, then -1 later on. Whether 2 times or 1 time, you are going to write the alternate manner. Now you have to write the energy here. So energy means Hamiltonian. Hamiltonian, if you will be writing corresponding to these values for the first combination, S1, S2, S3 values, you will get the 2j here. For the second combination, you will get the 0 here. For the third combination, you will get the, let's see, 1 into -1, -1, -1 into 1. That's going to be again what? It will give you, see, j, 1 into -1, -1. -1 into 1, that's -1, -2j. Clear? Next point. Here you will be getting again, it's 0. This is going to be what? -1 plus 1, it's going to be 0. Then you will be having the -1, -1, it will give you -2j. Then you will be having plus and -0. Then you will be having 2j. So you can see if you are going to have different values or you are getting the same values. Okay, and this is how you have to just put the S1, S2, S3 values here, and this is how you will get the Hamiltonian. Hamiltonian is representing the energy here. So how many times you have got the 2j? 2 times. What is the degeneracy of the 2j energy? That is 2. What is the degeneracy of -2j energy? That's even 2, because only 2 times you have got it. What is the degeneracy of the 0 energy? So you can see how many times you have got it? 4 times. So degeneracy will be what? 4. Done. Next point. If I will be talking about the partition function now, how I can write it? Z is equal to summation over I gi. Gi means degeneracy, which is 2 for what? Okay, let's write for 0 first of all. 4 degeneracy e to the power minus beta into energy is what? 0. Done. That's why I have written the degeneracy 4. Plus 2 e to the power minus beta, this is going to be for -2j. Plus 2, that is the degeneracy e to the power minus beta plus 2j. Because for plus 2j and for minus 2j, we had the degeneracy 2. So that's how we have written by putting the values in this formula. Next thing, you will be having 4 plus 2 e to the power 2 beta j. You can write it e to the power beta j whole square plus 2 e to the power minus beta 2 beta j. Okay, this is what you will have. Next thing, you can simply take 2 common from here. So when you will be taking 2 common, you will get e2 e to the power, can you write it like this? Beta j into e to the power minus beta j? Yes. Reason, because if you will multiply exponential terms, you will get e to the power 0, which is 1. So 2 2s are 4. Simply 2 is there, nothing else. Plus 2 you have taken common. You can simply write it e to the power beta j whole square. Done. Then because power 2 I didn't write it by multiplying it with beta j, I have taken it outside. Okay. Plus e to the power minus beta j square. Now you can see one thing. When I have written the expression in this manner, it is going to be a square plus b square plus 2ab. Done. This is the form for a plus b whole square. What is a? You can take it anything. I will be taking it the positive power of exponential. So e to the power beta j plus e to the power minus beta j, okay, and whole square. But the point is it gonna match with the given options? No. Our options have been given in the hyperbolic form. So what we will do right now, we have to try to convert it into the like hyperbolic form. So you need to know cos hyperbolic theta is e to the power theta plus e to the power minus theta upon 2. This is the value for the cos hyperbolic theta we will have. Next point, if I will be dividing it by the 2 square, because the square is already there, and I will multiply it with the 2 square. Done. So let me just write 2 here only instead of writing it outside. So this will be what? It's gonna give you the form that is 2, okay, into 2 cos hyperbolic beta j. Beta is what? Beta is the 1 upon kbt whole square. Done. So beta, we all need to know its value is fixed. It always remains 1 upon kbt. This is how you will have the beta value. So just put it here. 2 cos hyperbolic j upon kbt. Okay. And then its whole square. This is what you will have. Now you can see, is there any option matching with this form? If yes, that will be your right answer. Look at the option B. It will be exactly same as we have got it here. So you can see one thing, that in this question we didn't use any other formula except this one, and just some general concept. General concept means it's not that always we do this or always we have to do it in this way. It's just a general concept which will help you to know about the degeneracy and energy. So you can have a look at all the steps. If you have solved this question for the first time, you can even repeat it, do it once again after some time, because if you will revise these things, then it will help you to have more confidence, and it will even make you more like it will even keep you more motivated, okay, for your exam. So this is how, guys, we will keep on considering more and more different questions from the previous years, and based on more important concepts for your upcoming CSIR net exam, as well as for the GATE exam and all other exams. If there will be any doubt at any point, you can mention it in the comments. We will try to discuss that. And if everything clear, that's good. If you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, then you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video and click on the bell icon, so that you will get the notification for all the videos I will upload on this channel, because they are gonna be very important and don't miss them. Also, guys, as I have provided you the information about the Unacademy Plus subscription and the offer which is going on right now, if you don't want to miss the important courses and the classes by the top educators, and if you want to attend them regularly, and you want to take your preparation to a very good level in very less time, so all these courses and classes can help you a lot. So you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription right now, and you can get this offer, which is on 6-month subscription you will get the 1 month extra, 12-month subscription you will get the 2 months extra. This is the offer. It is valid till 31st July. So take your subscription before that to get this offer. Another thing, whenever you will be taking the Unacademy Plus subscription, use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here on the screen, because by using and by applying this referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. So guys, I hope each and everything will be clear to all of you, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Thank you.